Let's do a quick run through of the new support portal for support.renderdraw.com. Okay, so when we log in or we get to the support portal, we have access to the documentation portal directly. We click on documentation, you see we're now segregated by both platform and Salesforce. And everything basically that we had in our old docs portal is available at our fingertips here. Everything's searchable, so we have direct access to everything that we're looking to integrate with if we're looking for something on the platform side, and these documents are going to be updated automatically. Now, if we want to get some help, we'll have to log in with our RenderDraw credentials, and these are going to be the same RenderDraw credentials that you're provided when you sign up for the platform. We're going to set that up. You have access to sign in via either Google or directly with Microsoft, or directly with us on the email side of things. So inside of this, we have our chat interface, and inside of the chat interface, when we start talking or having a conversation, we can include documents, or we can just search, type in the conversation. So something like this, where we're talking about a specific piece of technology, the AI is going to go and look through the documentation and then also give you the ability to click on the documentation directly. So if we want to look at this documentation, we can do that. Awesome. Or we have the list of the chats that you were at before. This is the one we were just on. We can push talk to a human expert. And then from that, we're going to be listening behind the scenes for those chats to occur and to be raised up, and that's happening on our Slack directly. So now when we log in, we're going to have somebody behind the scenes that's going to give them direct access or direct response, and this should be immediate. Anything that the AI can't handle, we're going to go ahead and jump in there.